The fact that he went into the police force was something that I thought was so extraordinary, you know, that there's no idea who he is, where he is. And he's not really a very good police officer at all, because his heart isn't in it, really. And he tries, but the key to him is he is the most affable, lovable guy. You can't help but like him. And that's the element that I went for in Jack. So likable. Everybody likes him. Even his chief, you know, he's trying so hard to make him have some backbone and get it together. And, you know, he's somebody that uses the extension of his left hand is his phone. He's always playing games on it. And that part of him is that you like. He's always in the wrong place at the wrong time. And also, I wanted a whole character. He's not a drunk. He's not on drugs. He hasn't got a terrible marriage. To the contrary, he's got a fantastic relationship with a woman he absolutely adores. And so I wanted a whole being on the surface. But beneath the surface is a confusion, because he doesn't quite understand who he is.